Well, good morning, class. Here's a quick update for you on exercise 7. I know that some of you had a little bit of a challenge selecting variables, so I've gone ahead and selected them for you. So once you open the exercise 7 folder, click on exercise 7 variables. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see a sheet that has your first name and the independent variable, the dependent variable, and a control variable. And of course, you'll be using the general social survey data file. So simply find your name and just go across, and that there you will see your variables. Your independent variable, your dependent variable, and your control variable. Now, if you don't understand what the variable name stands for, then use the GSS codebook. And let me click over to that. You can simply download the GSS codebook. And for example, if you're looking up the variable trust, simply go to type in trust, scroll up, scroll down. Okay, boom. There is the variable name, trust, and here's an explanation of what the variable means, its values, and value labels. That's all there is to it. And you can do this by simply downloading the PDF file and search in the PDF file. Or there is a paper copy on file in the classroom. So that's all it is to start for exercise 7. Then look in your textbook once you know what your variables are, once you've selected them, and then you're going to write a bivariate hypothesis and a multivariate hypothesis. And your textbook has a very good example of how you should do that. And that is pretty much all it is to exercise 7. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. Bye.